Hello everyone. I've come on this afternoon to talk to you about the May Hangout project. Lisa from My Eclectic Life and I have been hosting another YouTuber each month since January, and each month we've been making a little book. So this time for May we've decided to do a one-page book or zine style book that is made with a file folder. This is just a simple file folder. Now this one is the standard size and this one is a large one. It doesn't matter whichever one you want to use. Now if you do not have a file folder, this is cardstock. The only thing is that it needs to be relatively large. That's the idea behind using the file folder, is that it gives you a large piece and your pages will be a little bit bigger. This happens to have been made with a sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock, and you could use that if you do not have a file folder. Now you're going to probably need two file folders because these little books have pockets. There's a pocket in the side here in which there are tags, and then there's pockets that come in the top here in which we put tags. So you probably want two file folders, whichever size you use, that you can decorate and have for your tags, the other one for your tags and things. The idea behind this is that the one sheet creates all of the pages, but we added, Lisa added some signatures to hers in her first one that she made, and I added both a signature and some notepads. So we will be adding things like the notepads, the signatures, the tucks, the tags to our project. Let me say that the project dates are May 7th and May 14th, which are 2 Tuesdays. We will be doing our project at 7 o'clock Central Time, 7 p.m. Central Time, so in the evening. Whatever cardstock or file folder you decide to use, we have some options for decorating it, and I'm not sure what Lisa nor I are going to do. We were both thinking about using napkins, but I may change my mind and use painty paper. So whether you're using napkins, painty paper, or whether you just want to paint yours, it's or cover it with cardstock, it is totally up to you. It's about having fun, and it's your book. So you will need probably two file folders, either painty paper, napkins, and the stuff to decorate with those things. We'll probably need some paper to put on the inside. As we go along, we'll figure some of those things out. Depends on what you really want to do with yours. We'll probably also need things like the thread to sew in a signature, some kind of closure, something like that. I'm going to put in the description box. Oh, our guest. Oh my goodness, I forgot our guest. Sorry, Spanky. I am so sorry. Spanky Medicines from Spanky's Crafty Corner will be our guest this time. She said she's never made a zine style book, so that'll be good. There are videos that you can watch. Both Lisa and I have videos on this kind of a book. I will put links to those. I'll also put links to Lisa and Spanky's channels. The first hangout on the 7th at 7 p.m. Central Time will be on my channel, which is Tanya McGuire right here. So set a reminder. If you haven't already, it is always a good idea to subscribe to the channel and click that little bell thing. Supposedly it's supposed to give you a notification when we go live or upload a video. I know there's been trouble with that lately, but I hope you'll all want to play along. I hope this will be a fun project for you, everybody, and we'll see you Tuesday the 7th at 7 p.m. Central. Now then, before I run off, I will read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity. Take your worst fears and happiest dreams and spread them out on the table in front of you. Now you are ready to work. Okay, guys. We'll see you Tuesday, the 7th, 7 p.m. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.